If your body feels heavy in the morning, your back stiff, shoulders tight, energy low, you're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck in that feeling. Just 5 minutes can realign your posture, soften your breath, and start your day from a place of peace. Let's hit the mat. When your back feels like it's been holding too much, this is a reset. Start in child's pose, forehead down, arms stretched long. Inhale as you shift forward into cobra. Lift your chest, open the front body. Exhale as you press back into child's pose. Keep moving gently with your breath. I promise this move is how you unlock your spine and return to your breath. Want to ease into it? Lower halfway into cobra and let your hips guide the motion. We're just getting started. Next one opens your shoulders even more. Now that your spine is flowing, let's melt into your upper back. If the weight of the world feels like it's resting between your shoulder blades, this one's for you. From all fours, walk your hands forward and let your chest sink down toward the mat. Keep your hips stacked over your knees. Breathe into the space beneath your collarbones. I promise this move is how you unlock your shoulder tension and invite stillness into your breath. Tight shoulders. Rest your forehead on a block or pillow. Just 60 seconds here can relieve hours of built-up tension. Now that your chest is open, let's bring strength back into your spine. This is where you reclaim space in your body, one breath at a time. Lie on your stomach, hands under shoulders, press through your palms and lift your chest. Elbows soft. Keep your hips grounded. Pull your shoulder blades back slightly. I promise this move is how you unlock your posture and gently restore energy to your core. New to this? Stay low with your elbows bent. This isn't about force, it's about flow. Hold here, 5 more seconds. Let it settle. Now that your spine is activated, let's draw the tension out of your chest. The more stress you carry, the more your shoulders start to close in. This opens them back up. Kneel or stand. Clasp your hands behind your back, roll your shoulders down, and gently pull your fists away from your spine. Feel your collarbones widen. I promise this move is how you unlock upright confidence and release emotional weight from your shoulders. Use a towel or band to connect your grip. Let's make this your strongest hold yet. 5 more seconds. Now that your chest is free, we'll finish where it matters most, your mind. This is where we soften the thoughts and quiet the noise. Sit or kneel with a tall spine. Gently drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Hold. Then slowly switch sides. Let your breath be the cue to switch. I promise this move is how you unlock hidden stress tucked behind your jaw and neck. Neck feels fragile? Support your opposite hand under your seat to stay grounded. You've come this far. Stay with me. Let this be your final release before the day begins.